Alright, we are so lazy to get our boxes dry that we're putting them in the microwave.
My idea.
And they're almost done. Alright. Alright, they're ready. That one's mine.
They're hot.
Oh my gosh, it's steaming hot. They're fogging up the mirror. Woo! They're done.
Oh, look. Oh,
dude, they're still steaming. Look at all that steam.
His team down by with 2 seconds left on the clock. All right, gentlemen, relax on the first one. We got 2
Woo, they're fogging up the mirror.
Don't worry, guys. I got these. Very good.
They smell clean.
they do. They're like chlorine, but still. Oh yes,
Dude,
that's
no,
right.
this
I'm a
won't work.
genius. No, it gets overheated.
What the hell are you doing?
Dang it. No, we can't. Dry it. Dry it. Alright.
Always has.
And that's how you do it during a junior trip, okay? Woo!
Run over back. Private.